Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice, kind of like accent chairs, swivel accent chairs that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say that this one is number one, really comfy. It is comfy, has a really nice support right here for my back. I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds, but it's more than anything comfy. It is really nice for the swivel feature, so you can see that this one, you can have a TV over there and probably have some people over here, so you can kind of like swipe and just go to the left or right to redirect yourself if you want, or just like watch TV from different angles. So this is a really nice thing to have. This one, let's talk about the assembly process. And my cat is over here, so she may get an appearance. Assembly process, this one right here, the whole chair comes in two packages, two boxes. So remember that you should be receiving two boxes. And then the assemble is so simple. It's not going to take you more than probably like 20 minutes. I want to say 20 minutes, no more than that. So that's a good thing for a chair this size that also supports 300 pounds. This chair over here, come on, Minnie. This chair over here supports 300 pounds. You get a removable pillow. And by the way, let's just take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, you can get this pillow if you want. You can remove it. But I have to say that it's really comfy. It is super cushion, as you can see over here. But talking about cushion, I do want to show you this over here. This kind of like really nice back support, this combed back support is what's going to give you that really good comfort when sitting here. Also, you're going to get this one with a Velcro, so you can actually take this one out if you want, just to remove the cover over here. But also, the thing about this one is how thick it is. It is super firm. Look at this. I can't even kind of like press it. It's just because it's super thick, so that's a really good thing. And it comes with the Velcro, so that's how this one actually supports that really good amount of weight. And of course, the fabric over here, this really nice kind of like Sherpa, looks super comfy. It is super soft, but also more than anything, it's what's going to give you this really nice style to this chair with this pillow. So again, one more time, super easy to assemble, really comfy, 300 pounds weight limit, and of course, looks really good as an accent chair for the social space. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.